Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will introduce our new diamond shaped lash boxes. Now let's start with my favorite and the most popular one, this holographic diamond lash box. You can see this one, yes, very shiny, very attractive. You can see all holographic except the side, this side is black. You can see matte black, very noble. Yes, make the boxes more special than the whole leather one. Let's put the lashes into the box. You can see, yes, you can see the black cover, the black lid, and this black lashes makes the boxes look fantastic. Very match very well. You can see you can put your logo in the middle of the tree. We can also make logo sticker for you. Guys, do you love this box? Very beautiful, very shiny, very popular. We sell lots of this box per day. Yeah, and this one also very shiny. This one is whole gold rose, shiny gold rose of the whole box. No other color. Yes, you can see inside the box is also whole gold rose, and you can see the special lines in front of the box. This one also has the lines. This lines is very popular recent year. Your customers will love it definitely. And let's also put the lashes into it. Yes, you can see very gorgeous, very luxury. You can see very shiny. Yeah, do you love this box? You can put your logo at the back or in the front. Or no logo is also very beautiful. How do you think, guys? If you like gold rose, please pick this one. Okay, let me introduce this one. This one is also has the special line like a real diamond. How do you think? And this one has special weave, special image, different from different from this box. This one is matte, and this box is shiny, but this one with special image. Let's see the inside. All pink, all light pink, very girly, very dreamy. You can see. Let's put the lashes into it. Yes, you can see very gentle. Yeah, if you like the light pink and if you have a logo, please pick this box. You can see very beautiful. This one, when you touch it, you feel very comfortable. And let's see this one. This one is our most super popular lash boxes all the time. Why? You can see there is a special smoke. I think it is like a smoke in front of the box. Also, the back is the same as the front. The color of this smoke matches the inside of the box. The pink glitter, you can see very shiny. Under the light, under the sun, very beautiful, very attractive. You can see the lashes in this box makes the lashes very outstanding. How do you think, guys? This one sell very well. You can see very girly, very young, very fashion. Okay, let's see this one. This one also with special black marble. Do you feel it is luxury? Wow, inside the box you can see gold rose glitter. Yes, girls and ladies love gold rose glitter, and me too. How do you think? This one is whole black marble, and this part is gold rose, shiny gold rose material, and inside the box is gold rose glitter. Let's put the lashes into the box. Yes, yeah, your lashes looks fantastic in this box. I don't know how to describe, but just attractive. Yeah, My customers love this box very much. You can put your logo in front of the box. Any color is okay. Any color matches this box very well because white and black matches any color, you know. And let's see this one. This one is, you can see, different from the lash boxes before. This one is whole glitter, whole pink glitter inside the box. Whole the inside, yeah, very shiny. Yeah, and outside the box, all pink glitter, light pink glitter. This one is very gorgeous, I think. And we can put your logo in front of the box and some info at the back. It is okay. Let's put the lashes into it. Yeah, very beautiful, very shiny, very girly, I think. Do you love pink? Do you love pink glitter? This one is perfect. Yeah, this box without logo, you can see, with very good quality. Yeah, let's see this one. This one, yeah, the gold rose again. Why we have many gold rose box? Because gold rose is gorgeous indeed. Ladies love gold rose. No one don't love gold rose, doesn't like it. You can see when we put the lashes into this box. Yeah, very beautiful, very luxury, I think. You can see the whole box is gold rose glitter, very shiny. Yeah, very gorgeous. Do you like this one? This one sell very well, sell very fast. And this one, yeah. Do you surprised by this one? Can you imagine the lashes in this box? This purple is different from the normal purple. This purple is very, very mysterious, I think. Like it has magic. How do you think? Very mysterious. Let's see, put the lashes into the box. Yes, you can see. Very luxury, I think. Your logo, and also you can put your logo at this part. Yeah, this box you can see, like magic box. When you open it, you feel like you open a magic book. How do you think? Do you love this one? Okay, oh yeah, there has two left. These two are all gold color. This one is tiny gold glitter. You can see very tiny glitter, very, very comfortable when you touch it. Very different from the chunky glitter. And this one is a whole gold, whole solid gold of the box, of the whole box. Very shiny. Yeah, very, how to say, luxury too. If we put your lashes into this box, your customer will think that your lashes has very good quality here. How do you think? You can see this box makes the lashes look fantastic. Yeah, you can put your logo at this part. You can see very shiny, very attractive. Do you love this box? Yeah, okay, thanks for watching my videos. If you like my videos, please subscribe me. I will update more videos for you guys. Thank you.